Y. Corvera, and today we're going to explore the fascinating world of computers. What is a computer? A computer is a machine that can process and store information, such as numbers, words, pictures, movies, or sounds. Computer has basic parts. Understanding the basic parts of the computer will help us appreciate how they work together. What are the basic parts of the computer? Let's get started. Let's start with the hardware components. Hardware consists of physical parts. The main components are: number 1, Central Processing Unit or the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It interprets and executes instructions, runs the operating system and apps, and performs calculations. It also controls the flow of data and instructions to other components of the computer. Number 2, Motherboard. A motherboard provides connectivity between the hardware components of a computer, like the processor, CPU, memory, RAM, hard drive, and video card. Number 3, Random Access Memory or the RAM. It provides high-speed, short-term memory for your computer CPU, or it is the temporary storage of data. Number 4, Storage drives. It is a computer hardware that stores and retrieves data either in a real-time setting or for longer archiving, or it is the permanent storage of data. Examples of these are the HDD or the hard disk drive and the SSD or the solid-state drive. Number 5, Power supply. It provides power to components. On start desktop computer, the power supply is where the power cord plugs into and usually has an input or output power switch on it. Now let's go to the input devices. Input devices help us interact with the computer. These are: number 1, keyboard, a device that allows us to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols or characters into a computer. It is one of the most used input devices for computers. Using a keyboard is often called typing. Number 2, mouse, stands for manually operated user selection equipment or mechanically operated user single engine, and it is a device which is attached to a computer system. It works as a pointer device for scrolling, dragging, dropping, selection, and many more purposes. Lastly, the output devices. Output devices display or produce information such as: number 1, monitor. The monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or textual form. It displays images, text, video, and graphics information generated by the computer. Number 2, speakers. The speakers connects to a computer to produce sound. Number 3, printer. The printer is a device that prints documents and images onto paper and other materials. Now, we are done exploring the basic parts of the computer. That's it for today. Once again, I am Chris Daniel Y. Corvera. Bye! See you next time!